Going paperless is the first step in digital transformation. The multifunction printer app, Scan Delivery, is compatible with a range of work types, achieving efficiency in routine scanning. Install this paid app on your multifunction printer for seamless use. Simply select the service type and the document type, and the app will store the document in the designated location following preset rules. By selecting the service type and the document type, any user can easily scan documents with consistent quality to fit the task. Up till now, various problems occurred when digitizing paper documents, such as operation errors and incomplete rules, including complex scan settings, specifications of the save destination, and renaming inconsistent file names. But with Scan Delivery, significant improvements and efficiencies can be achieved in the scanning process. In addition, up to 4 sections can be outlined with a marker in standard documents, such as contracts or diagrams, and the scanned text can be added to the file or folder names. This is useful for organizing documents under contract numbers or part numbers. By specifying text strings to be read from QR codes or barcodes, you can assign this data as file or folder names. Scan Delivery enables extended attributes to be added to DocuWorks documents and PDF files, so searching becomes easier and documents become more useful. Through the linkage with Working Folder, it results in higher accuracy of searches and storage of documents in the cloud, ensuring accessibility from anywhere outside the office. This also enables swift information sharing. The administrator can save settings in advance from the Internet Services screen with the Settings tool for Scan Delivery. The app features wizard-based templates for frequently used service types, making setup easy even for beginners by following the prompts on the screen. Scan Delivery allows anyone to easily achieve a more effective and efficient paperless work environment in various work situations. Why not give it a go with Scan Delivery?